Unboxing of Dio interactive droid. We found it at Ollie's for under $50. You got this, which looks like it shows you got to use part of the box as a stand. This is in 2 halves. Yep, everything just fell all over the place. These are obviously the antennas for decoration. So you just plug in the back of the droid.
Get this thing out.
And they appear to be, okay, I guess the droid must move them around. Okay, he will not stand on his own. Here's the interactive ball. This takes batteries. What does it say? 2 AAA's.
Okay.
So the ball is going to take 2 AAA's.
Okay. That's 3 A's.
So the box you have to remove. There's a rip strip right here. There's your stand. Just the back of the stand. The top of the box snaps onto the bottom here. So the top and bottom of the box become the stand. There's the ball.
And there's the
Dio sits in there. And it comes with a charging cable.
to charge him.
And then obviously instructions.
Yeah.